How to fix Snapchat hanging problem on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And then on apps, you will search for Snapchat. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. And on storage, guys, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click force tab, click OK, and then you will go to Play Store or App Store and update Snap again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.